Types of kitchen faucets. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen faucets, an essential component of every kitchen that often gets overlooked. We'll explore the different types of kitchen faucets and their features to help you choose the perfect one for your home. So let's start. Number 1. Single-handle faucets. Advantages: simplified operation, usually easier to install and maintain, and often more space efficient. Disadvantages: may offer less precise temperature control compared to double-handle faucets. Number 2. Double-handle faucets. Advantages: allows for more precise control of water temperature and flow, often considered more traditional and can offer a more classic look. Disadvantages: requires two hands to operate and may be less convenient if you need to adjust temperature frequently. Number 3. Pulled-down faucets. Advantages: flexible spray head that can be extended to reach different areas of the sink. Usually includes a button to switch between a stream and spray mode. Disadvantages: the retractable hose may wear out over time and require maintenance. Number 4. Pull-out faucets. Advantages: ideal for tasks that require more reach and precision, such as rinsing dishes or cleaning the sink. The hose is often easier to control compared to pull-down models. Disadvantages: similar to pull-down faucets, the hose can be prone to wear and tear. Number 5. Deck mount faucets. Advantages: they can be installed in various configurations and are typically easier to install than wall-mounted options. They fit a variety of sink types and styles. Disadvantages: may take up counter space and can be harder to clean around if not properly maintained. Number 6. Wall mount faucets. Advantages: frees up counter space and offers a clean, modern look. Can be easier to clean around the sink area. Disadvantages: installation can be more complex and may require modifications to existing plumbing. Not suitable for all sink setups. Number 6. Touchless faucets. Advantages: convenient and hygienic, as they reduce the need to touch the faucet handle, which can help minimize the spread of germs. Disadvantages: higher initial cost and potential need for battery or power supply maintenance. Sensor technology can sometimes be less reliable. Number 7. Commercial style faucets. Advantages: durable and designed for heavy use, often with a high arch spout and strong water flow. Ideal for large, busy kitchens. Disadvantages: larger and bulkier, which may not suit smaller kitchens or traditional decor styles. When selecting a kitchen faucet, consider the overall design of your kitchen, your specific functional needs, and ease of maintenance. Each type offers unique benefits, so choosing the right one can enhance both the functionality and aesthetics of your kitchen space. Thanks for watching. Check out our new video. And don't forget to subscribe. Leave a like if you enjoy.